Good day. Thank you for calling Bitik Fine Dine Restaurant. This is E.M. Kalumba from Reservations Department. How may I assist you?
I'd like to make a table reservation.
Certainly, ma'am. May I have your full name, please?
Loris Yakat.
Thank you, Miss Yakat. May I also have your contact number and address for our record?
My contact number is 0970-803298 and my address is 240 Sitio Tres, Dulong Ilog, Candaba, Pampanga.
Thank you very much, Miss Yakat. May I ask for the date and time of your reservation and for how many guests?
At 8 p.m. for 4 guests.
Perfect. Would you prefer to be seated in the smoking or non-smoking area?
Non-smoking, please.
Noted, ma'am. Do you have any special requests or concerns we should be aware of to make your dining experience more comfortable?
None for now, thank you.
Allow me to repeat your reservations details. Miss Yakat, a table for 4 guests on September 13 at 8 p.m. in the non-smoking area under your name, Loris Yakat. Contact number 0970-803-2098 with address at 240 Sitio Tres, Dulong Ilog, Candaba, Pampanga. And the special request is everything correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Thank you for choosing Bitik Fine Dining Restaurants. We look forward to welcoming you on September 13 at 8 p.m. and have a pleasant day and goodbye, ma'am. Thank you.